If you have a knack for new gadgets around you, then you're in the right place. After doing some rigorous research, we've listed down some new gadgets that you will love using. Stay with us till the end of the video to find out which gadget will suit you the best. Links to all the products are available in the video description, so let's get started. First up is the SEDETA Lift Top Coffee Table. The coffee table can be raised from 19.7 inches to 25.4 inches with just one lift. Gas struts make the lifting system smooth and reliable. The process is so simple and safe that even kids can do it without fear of squeezing their fingers. Since you don't need an extra table, you can now eat, work from home, or start your favorite craft projects without leaving your couch. There is a secret storage space under that moving top. You can keep all the things you need in the living room close by, but out of sight there. Get rid of the mess. It's really useful. And there are 4 open spaces with shelves that can be moved around. You can move them around to make room for anything, from games to books. This makes it completely flexible to meet your needs. This coffee table not only works well, but it also looks great. It's built to last and has a modern farmhouse chic look. The wood top is waterproof and won't scratch. Number 2. BANGE Anti-Theft Sling Backpack with Lock. It's made of good Oxford material, so it will last and work well. Plus, the way it's made is very smart. Because the back of your bag is ergonomic and made of open mesh, your shoulders will feel better even if you have to carry it for a long time. This is where it gets cool. It's not heavy, because it weighs just over a pound. You won't even notice that you're carrying it. But don't be fooled by the weight, you can fit a lot in there. It's big enough to hold all your essentials. About 13.8 inches tall, 8.3 inches long, and 4.7 inches wide. This bag will have your back whether you like sports, climbing, camping, traveling, or even riding your bike to work. You can take it on any trip because it's waterproof and won't get scratched. The strap can be adjusted in 2 ways so that it fits your body perfectly. This makes it easy for everyone to wear. It would make a great gift for someone who likes to travel or be busy. We need to talk about safety. There is a strong code lock on the bag, which is great if you want to keep your items safe while you're out and about. For added security, there's a spot in the back that only you can see that holds your wallet or other valuables. A secret USB charging port with 2 ports. That means it's easy to charge your phone or other devices while you're gone. No need to look for a charging spot anymore. Also, the storage is very useful. The main compartment is big enough for your 9.7-inch iPad, camera, power bank, water bottle, notebook, and more. The front pocket is for smaller things. Number 3 is the OUTON floor lamp. A stylish floor lamp that is also useful is the perfect way to light a room. The cool thing is that this isn't any lamp. With the remote control and touch control that comes with it, it's very easy to change the light color and strength. The radio control works with magnets. Yes, you can stick it on your fridge or any metal surface to keep it from getting lost. The lamp can be controlled from up to 49.2 feet away. That way, you don't have to get up from the couch to turn it on or off. It's not just about ease of use though. This lamp on the floor is made to shine. It's like having a little sun in your room with 30-watt LED lights that give off 3,000 lumens. The stepless dimming feature lets you set the lighting just the way you like it. If you turn on the lamp again, it will remember the last brightness and color choices, so you won't have to change them again. It's made to last more than 50,000 hours, so you won't have to worry about getting a new one for years. There's also a timer that turns the lamp off after an hour, which is great for people who like to sleep with the lights on. You don't even need any tools to put this lamp together. You only need to screw the lamp pole's pieces together to finish. The lamp's head is also bendable. You can turn it all the way around to direct the light exactly where you need it. Because the base is heavier, this lamp is strong and stable, so you don't have to worry about pets or kids knocking it over. Number 4. OPHIR Upgraded Water Curtain Airbrush Spray Booth. It has a silent water screen and a 2-layer high-density filter. Yes, a water screen. It's like having a small waterfall inside your booth that collects dust, dirt, and other floating junk, keeping your desk spotless. The water runs smoothly down because of a clever pipe that redirects it. There are no strange trickles or stops. It's like giving your spray booth a day at the spa. What about the area itself? It's really big. There is 22.8 by 9.4 by 14.2 inches of space to play around with. You can also see everything while you work because the shield is clear. You also have control over the airflow with 3 power fans. The motors in these fans are 45 watt, and there is a knob on the side to change the settings. The lighting is also great. There are 3 bright LED light tubes in the booth. They give off 2,430 lux of soft, clear light. They will make sure you don't forget anything. On top of that, the 360-degree rotation makes it easy to check your project from every angle. You can get rid of the dangerous fumes right out of the window or door with a 67-inch exit hose that comes with the booth. They've also added extra filters to make sure you're always ready. Number 5. Evo, the future of ultra-smart AI chessboard. It has some really strong engines built in. The Stockfish engine is one of them, and Maya is another cool engine. It's unique that Maya acts more like a person, which makes playing and studying games a lot of fun and easy to relate to, like having a really smart chess partner who acts like a real person but has all the power of cutting-edge technology. Then there's this amazing function that lets you make your chess engine. Think about having an engine that plays just like you or anyone else. It recreates a style based on the games you've played in the past. So you could play against yourself from the past or against a bot that looks like your favorite champion. When it comes to playing, the different game types are great. You can easily switch things up based on how and where you want to play since it works on different devices. The Chestnut Evo app works well whether you want to play online, study offline, or challenge a friend. What makes it fun is the bright LED lights and the ability to identify the pieces correctly. These add more fun and interaction to your games. The lights make your board easier to see, and the precise recognition makes sure that the system knows exactly what's going on, so you can focus on your plan without worrying about any technical issues. Number 6. WUBEN E1 Selfie Light. The SMD3030 LEDs inside this little gem give you the freedom to change the way it looks for any event. Want a bright beam to help you see at night? It gives off an amazing 300 lumens. Would you like a soft glow for those nice nights? The E1 will protect you, and on low mode, it can shine for an amazing 70 hours. It's like having a feather in your pocket. It weighs only 38 grams. We all know how important good lighting is for those Instagram photos. The E1 has a great selfie light for cell phones that has 3 light modes: warm, natural, and cool. That way you can always look your best, whether you're live streaming or just taking a picture. The color temperature can be changed from 3000K to 6000K. Get rid of that bad light. There's more though. The E1 can also be used to hold a phone with its magnets because it has N54 magnets that are very strong. It not only holds your phone firmly, but also stands it up. You can tilt it at any angle to get the best view while you chat with friends or watch all of your favorite shows at once. It also sticks to any iron surface, which makes it fun and useful. The E1 is easy to charge because it has a USB Type-C port. You will never be left in the dark, whether you're at home, in the car, or out and about. The WUBEN E1 is great for everyday carry because it is so small. You can carry it in your pocket, bag, or keychain style. Number 7. INIU Wireless Charger. When it comes to charging, the INIU Safe Fast Charge Pro is your new best friend. Think about this. More than 38 million people around the world love this charger for how safe and fast it is. Why wouldn't they then? INIU only uses high-quality parts, which is why they're happy to offer a great 3-year INIU Care warranty on this charger. Allow us to now proceed to the more important parts. The new 15-watt air fuel technology can save you up to 45 minutes of valuable time while it charges, so you can do more and wait less. The LED light on the INIU charger changes brightness during the day and at night. No more annoying lights keep you awake. There are 4 improved modes on this charger. The LG gets 15 watts, the Samsung Galaxy gets 10 watts, the iPhones get 7.5 watts, and the other smartphones get 5 watts. What a range of skills! Number 8. ShotScope X5 GPS Watch. With the ShotScope X5, you'll never have to guess how far something is. It tells you how many yards you are between the front, middle, and back of the green. You can also see how far away you are from water dangers, bunkers, and even tricky dog legs. It's like having your manager. Also, the green view feature is great. It lets you change where the pin is for the day and shows you the shape of each green. There are already 36,000 courses loaded, so you can play anywhere in the world without having to pay extra. The cool new second-generation tags are here. The range has grown to up to 12 centimeters, which means they can track your shots better than ever. Plus, they're so light that you won't even notice they're on your clubs. 1.2 grams. They also don't need batteries, so you don't have to worry about getting new ones. Which gadget would you begin your shopping with? Share it with us in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the product links available in the video description.